Hello, I'm Haida Malik, host of the Mehmi Financial Group podcast. Today's topic is automation upgrades, financing robotics and AI for Toronto manufacturers. Introducing robotics, vision systems, and AI driven cells can boost throughput, cut defects, and safeguard margins, but the upfront cost often stalls projects. Here's how Toronto manufacturers can fund next gen automation without bleeding working capital. 1. Build your ROI case. Baseline metrics. Measure current cycle times, scrap rates, and labor costs. A robot that slashes cycle time by 25% or a vision system that cuts defects by 40% translates directly into saved hours and materials. Projected savings. Quantify labor hour reduction, e.g., 2 FTEs saved ILSPA 200K a year plus scrap avoidance savings. Present a 3 to 5 year payback analysis to lenders and grant programs. 2. Specialized equipment loans. Term and coverage. Banks and the Business Development Bank of Canada underwrite loans covering 70 to 100% of automation costs over 3 to 7 years at prime plus 1%. Requirements. 2 years of reviewed financials, vendor quotes, and your ROI model. A strong order backlog for parts or sub-assemblies running on the new cells demonstrates repayment capacity. 3. Equipment leasing. Operating leases. Rent robots or AI stations for 36 to 60 months with lower monthly payments and bundled maintenance. At term end, swap into newer models to stay on the technology curve. Finance leases. Spread payments over the useful life, then buy out at a nominal fee, capturing depreciation benefits while minimizing down payment. 4. Sale-Leaseback of existing assets. Unlock equity. Sell paid-off CNC lines or legacy conveyors to a finance company for 70 to 85% of value, then lease them back. Use the proceeds to fund new automation without disrupting production. 5. Vendor financing and OEM programs. Promotional deals. Robotics OEMs, Fanyuk, ABB, KUKA, often offer 0% financing for 6 to 12 months or deferred payment on turnkey AI integrations. Bundle value. Negotiate service, training, and software license renewals into the finance package for a single predictable payment. 6. Government incentives. Federal grants. Industrial Research Assistance Program, IRAP, supports automation RLAS&D. Strategic Innovation Fund provides repayable contributions for advanced manufacturing. Provincial programs. Ontario's Advanced Manufacturing Voucher Program subsidizes feasibility and pilot studies for AI adoption. Sequencing. Align loan or lease draws to occur immediately after grant approvals, avoiding cash flow gaps. 7. Flexible credit lines. Receivables facility. Advance up to 80% of your parts sales invoices to cover automation deposits or integration costs. Interest accrues only on drawn balances. Equipment line of credit, ELOC. Pledge existing machinery as collateral for a revolving line. Draw, repay, and redraw as each robot cell comes online. 8. Total cost and stress testing. Compare scenarios. Build an NPV model including interest, lease fees, maintenance contracts, software subscriptions, and residual value risk. Stress test. Run what-if analyses, 30% order delays, 20% labor rate hikes to ensure covenant compliance and operational resilience. 3 action steps. 1. Quantify and package. Document throughput gains, labor savings, and quality improvements. Gather financials, vendor quotes, and grant criteria into a professional pitch. 2. Engage specialists. Work with a finance broker experienced in robotics and AI projects, banks, leasing firms, and grant consultants to navigate product specific programs. 3. Solicit and compare. Request proposals for term loans, leases, sale-leasebacks, credit lines, vendor deals, and grants. Choose the mix that delivers the lowest true cost of capital and the greatest flexibility for iterative automation rollouts. By layering targeted loans, leases, sale-leasebacks, receivables lines, vendor financing, and government incentives, and by anchoring everything to a robust ROI model, you can modernize your Toronto plant with robotics and AI while preserving the cash you need to stay agile. I'm Haider Malik. Thanks for listening.